Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a food tasting video. So I'm going to taste test this Japanese takoyaki, which is the octopus balls. So I bought this one from Costco. This is not too expensive. I can't remember how much it was. I think it was about like 19 New Zealand dollars. So, and it has 50 pieces inside. It is not expensive, to be honest. If I buy fresh outside, I think about like $8 for 4 pieces. I have never tried this one before. This is my first time to taste test this product. So hopefully it will taste good and I can save lots of money because I'm a big fan of takoyaki. There are 4 cooking instructions at the back of the bag. So the first one is air fryer. Air fryer is recommended. So put it into the air fryer for 190 degree, cook for 10 minutes. And another recommended cooking instruction is the oven bake, which is preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake for 15 minutes or until heated throughout and serve. And the third cooking instruction is microwave. Microwave for 2.5 minutes in a 1000 watt microwave and serve. And the fourth cooking instruction is deep fry. Preheat oil to 180 degrees Celsius, deep fry for 1 minute, remove and rest for 15 seconds, and then fry for another 30 seconds to finish. Drain oil to serve. So the recommended method is air fryer and oven bake. But both of them will take quite a long time, like air fryer is 10 minutes and oven bake is 15 minutes. And actually I really love microwave because I reckon microwave is the easiest. It's just put it into the microwave for 2.5 minutes. Today I will taste test all these 4 recommended cooking instructions. Hopefully microwave will taste good though, because that's the easiest way to cook. Okay, let me open it and see how it looks like inside. It is pretty good that it has a reseal band there. So when I open it, I can reseal it back later. So this is very easy to put it into the freezer later on. A full bowl of takoyaki. I'm happy. I'm not going to eat the whole bowl. Today I'm going to cook 2 balls by using each of the cooking instructions. Okay, now let me taste test this air fried takoyaki ball. The plate is super hot, but the ball is not really that hot. Let me cut it through, see how it looks like. It's warm inside, so but outside is super hot. And the plate is super hot as well. So let me try. I reckon the batter, is it called batter? The filling inside is a little bit thicker than what I had here from the restaurant or from the night market. But maybe because it's not hot enough inside, it is hot inside, but it's not like super hot inside. Maybe it's my air fryer's problem because I'm not using the traditional bowl-shaped air fryer. I'm just using the air fryer oven. So maybe the heat and the time is not exactly as what was in the instruction. Maybe I can give it for another 2 minutes, and because it is not too dark brown outside, so I think I can, if I use my air fryer, I can go for another 2 minutes to make it like super hot inside, and then inside will be softer and more like watery. But overall it's good. It's very similar to what I bought outside. So and I did taste one piece of octopus. Air fryer, okay. Okay, now this one is the big one. Let me try the big version. Oh, this one is because like it was made like that or what? You see, it's not really fill up the bowl. Before all those balls they've been filled up completely inside, but maybe it was not because of the cooking method, but when it was made at the beginning that it wasn't really filled up. So let me try. Inside is hotter than the air fryer just now. So this one I didn't really add the time. I just used the instruction 50 minutes oven bake. So taste very similar to air fry actually. It is very consistently that each of the ball has one piece of octopus meat. So let me cut another one, see if it's the cooking method or it was just made like that just now that it didn't fill up inside like the other one. It was just that ball that it didn't fill up inside. It was made like that not because of the cooking method. Okay, let me try the microwave one because I just heat up two pieces of octopus ball. 2.5 minutes for 2 pieces of octopus ball is way too much. I think maybe that instruction for like 10 pieces or more than 10 pieces, because when you have more pieces, you will need more time to cook it. You can adjust your time if you just cook like a couple of pieces. I think for like my microwave, 1.5 minutes for 2 pieces of octopus ball will be enough. It is hot. It is very hot inside. I feel like they taste very similar so far for all these three kind of cooking methods. But I think the microwave one, it is really like dry up inside. I think I used it too much time for just 2 pieces, so it dried up inside. Like this hole is quite different from the other one because this one is really like dry up the filling inside. So maybe for 1.5 minutes will be better. Okay, let me go and do the last one, the deep fry one, and see how it goes. Okay, let me cut the deep fry octopus ball. I do worry inside it's not really that hot because it's a frozen food. So yeah, it is still like I can feel a little bit freeze inside, like cold inside. Let me try a smaller piece. Inside it tastes similar to the air fryer one, but the skin is a little bit crispier by doing the deep fry one. I think if like I microwave for about 30 seconds and then I deep fry, should be really good because it can do like a little bit crispy outside and hot inside. Okay, now I have tried all the 4 types of cooking methods. Now let me make a conclusion about this taste test. Overall, the taste for this octopus ball is good. The air fryer and the oven bake, the tastes are very similar. Can't really tell the difference. It's really like which way that you like to use, I think. Maybe air fryer will be easier because you do not need to preheat the oven. And lots of families have the bowl type, I mean the traditional air fryer, which will be even faster because you just chuck it in to the air fryer and just cook it for like 2 minutes. microwave one, how to say, I used it 2.5 minutes, so inside was a little bit too dry. As for the skin, it's like soft. It's softer than the air fryer one and the oven one. The taste is a little bit inferior when compared to the oven bake and the air fryer one. But if you are like really in a rush, you just want to have something to eat, and it is still acceptable. It's not like you cannot eat that kind of inferior. As for the last one, the deep fry one, the recommended time is not enough, I reckon, for a frozen octopus ball. It just warmed up a little bit inside. Maybe a little bit, like I still feel cold, a little bit cold in some areas. But the skin, as I say, the taste of the skin, the texture of the skin is the best because it is a little bit crisp, and all the other three don't have this kind of texture. And then, to my surprise, I microwaved it for like about 20 seconds. It's actually the perfect shape. Like I would say, like you deep fry for the time as suggested on the pack, and then after that you put it to the microwave for like 20 seconds. That will be the best to my taste. So why I don't suggest to microwave first and then deep fry, because the octopus ball is not really like crispy type. So even you buy it fresh from outside, it is not like crispy that kind of skin. So therefore, if I microwave first and then deep fry, the skin will be too crispy, I reckon, unless you really like the crispy skin. I mean, we all have our own preference. If you really like the crispy skin, you can microwave first and then deep fry. Otherwise, I would suggest to deep fry first and then microwave 20 seconds. Then inside will be super hot and softer, and outside the skin will be a little bit crispier. So I reckon that will be the best way of doing it, but of course it would take more time to do it. But overall, if you are a very easygoing person, I think microwave can do the job as well, because it's really fast and easy, and it suits for the fast food products. Okay, that's all for this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!